In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Outlook calendar invite without showing recipients. This is an essential skill for maintaining privacy and professionalism, especially when dealing with larger groups or when discretion is necessary. Let's walk through the process, making it as straightforward as possible. First, you need to access your Outlook calendar. To do this, head over to Outlook.com, or if you're using the desktop version, open the new Outlook for Windows app. Once you're in, navigate to your calendar. This calendar will be the home base for inviting your guests to events while ensuring discretion. Next, let's create a new event. You'll find an option labeled New Event or sometimes New Meeting at the top. Click this to open up a new invitation window. It's in this space that you'll lay down the plans for whatever meeting or event you are organizing. Now, it's time to add your attendees. In the Invite Attendees field, input the email addresses of everyone you wish to invite. It's crucial to ensure accuracy here, as this determines who will receive your invite. Remember, this step lays the groundwork for the communication you'll be sending out shortly. With your list of invitees ready, the next step is to locate the response options. This will be visible in the new event window. Finding it may take a moment if you are unfamiliar with the interface, but once located, click it to expand the menu. This is a vital step for achieving the privacy element we're after. Now comes the key action, hiding the attendee list. In the expanded menu, you'll see an option to hide attendee list. Check this box. This simple action ensures that none of the recipients will be able to see each other's names when they receive the invitation, maintaining the privacy that might be necessary for your event. Finally, it's time to send the invitation. But before you hit that send button, double check that all the event details are correct. Ensure that the time, date, location, and any other essential information are accurate and complete. Once confident that everything is in order, click send. Your attendees will receive the invite in their inboxes, and thanks to the steps you've taken, they won't be able to see who else has been invited, and there you have it. You've successfully sent an Outlook calendar invite without showing the recipients, enabling you to organize your event while keeping your attendee list private. This is a powerful tool to have at your disposal, ready to use whenever privacy is a priority. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Whether organizing a confidential meeting or a widespread conference, you now have the knowledge to send invites discreetly.